super quick look at how to play What's That You Say Little Girl by Stephen Fretwell. The song essentially uses the same guitar idea throughout the entire song, just with a few alterations made here and there. The song starts on this full G chord. So to start with, we play a G note, a low E string. I'm going to strum down, up, up. Then we're going to add this little melody to the chords. So we go 2nd fret to 3rd fret, hammer on the A string. Then down, up, up again. And we're going to pull off 3 to 2 on the A string. Same strumming. So hammer on, pull off. Hammer on from open to 2nd on the A string, down, up, up. So back to that G chord. And that's the main intro riff. Once we're into the main part where he starts singing, we have a G with a similar kind of strumming pattern. To a D chord, pick the D string open, similar kind of strumming, and then to the G again. So like 10 years past. After the G, D, we go to a C major chord, play the bass note, down, up, up, and the B note or the 2nd fret of the A string, down, up, up, and an A minor chord. And then we'd go back into the C chord there. Same again. Now between these two sections, sometimes you'll hear this little run. So that would be 3rd fret on the G string, open A, 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the A. Sometimes he plays it as soon as we come out of the G, D, G. Da, 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 dun. But he doesn't always play it. Sometimes he just goes G, D, G, then to the C. So you have to listen to the song to figure out when he's doing that if you want to be very precise. Stay on the A minor, and we're going to add this 7th, the A minor 7th, this G note on the high E. After the 2 bars on that A minor with the 7th added, we go to a D chord. And we're going to have a lot of open licks on there, so you've got the open string to the 2nd fret hammer on and the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret hammer on. Every time he plays this, he has this different riff in there, so listen to it, make up your own, and kind of get a close approximation of what he does there. So. Just go back through it again. G, D, G, run, dun, 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 C, walk down, dun, A minor, da, da, dun, run again. High melody note, D, G, D, G, run, dun, 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 C, A minor, dum dum dum, run again, C, B, A minor 7, and then the D. After every chorus, he usually goes into the little main intro riff sort of. He doesn't do this on the final chorus because he plays the dun 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 3 times before he finishes off with a little 1-line verse, and then he finishes the song with the intro riff. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing nice and slowly so you've got it. So for the intro, 2 bars of G, nothing happening, just the up down strumming, and then we got the main riff for the intro. Then we go to the G, D, G, then either the run, straight into the C, or straight into the C with no run. Walk down, run again, walk down, high 7th note on there, minor 7th, then to your D, melody notes, and then you're back into the G, G, G. Run, C, walk down. Riff, walk down. High melody. D. After the chorus, we add the. As always, once you feel like you're getting comfortable with the guitar part, jam along with the original song. Happy practicing, take care, I'll see you next time.